Can I just drink coffee instead of Herbalife Herbal Tea Concentrate? I get this question all the time. And honestly, I used to think the same too, because they both give you energy, right? But if you're someone that feels tired, gets cravings, and your weight is just not moving, even though you drink coffee every day, then this is where the difference actually matters. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. This is Jean here from Authentic Energy. I have been a Herbalife coach for over 10 years, and today we're going to look at coffee versus Herbalife Herbal Tea Concentrate and how they affect your energy, your cravings, your fat loss, and also whether you can still drink coffee while you're on the Herbalife program. So let's start with the obvious, caffeine. So both coffee and Herbalife Herbal Tea contain caffeine, which is why both give you energy. But the way that they work in your body actually feels very different. So coffee gives you a stronger, faster hit. It stimulates your system quickly, especially if you drink it first thing in the morning. And especially if you drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. And it can feel quite intense. Sometimes even, a bit jittery. And on the other hand, Herbalife Herbal Tea is actually lighter. It gives you more control, steady energy boost, and it's designed to be used daily. So most people find it feels, smoother and easier on the body. So if your goal is to just wake yourself up quickly, then coffee can do that. But if your goal is consistent energy throughout the day, and this is where the tea starts to work better. And just to add a bit of science here, because this part is so important, caffeine itself actually does have an effect on our metabolism. It can actually slightly increase your metabolic rate, so which means that your body actually burns a bit more energy, and it can also improve focus and performance, especially during your workout. So both coffee and Herbalife tea can actually support that to some extent. But here's the key difference. It's not just about boosting the metabolism for a short period of time. It's actually about whether your body can actually stay in a more stable state throughout the day so that your weight loss becomes easier. Because if your energy is constantly going up and down and your cravings are all over the place, that small metabolic boost doesn't actually really translate into real results. So a small metabolism boost is helpful, but it won't actually fix unstable energy and constant cravings. So yes, caffeine can support our metabolism, but how it's used in your daily routine really matters a lot more. Okay, now let's look at something that people often overlook, hydration and acidity. So coffee is more acidic, and for some people, it can feel a bit harsh on the stomach as well. So when it's overused, when you overdrink your coffee, overdose on your coffee, especially without enough water, it can also contribute to dehydration. So Herbalife Herbal Tea is usually taken as a lighter, more refreshing drink, so it tends to feel more hydrating and easy on the body for most people. Now, here's where it really starts to impact your results. Because it's not just about energy or hydration, it's what happens to your cravings and your fat loss later in the day. This is honestly the biggest difference I see with my clients. So with coffee, you drink it and you feel good, you do feel more awake, you feel more alert, but a few hours later, you start to feel a bit tired again, and maybe you also feel a little bit off. And suddenly you're craving something. So usually you crave something sweet, sugary, carbs, or any random crunchy snacks. And it's not because you have no willpower. It's because your body is trying to recover from that energy drop. So now, when clients switch to Herbalife Herbal Tea Concentrate, this is where they start noticing something very different. Their energy feels more stable, they feel lighter, and they also feel that it's easier to manage their energy throughout the day as well. I've had clients tell me within just a few days that they don't feel like snacking as much anymore. So I want you to think about your own day for a second. Do you ever feel like you need coffee just to function in the morning? Then later your energy dips again and you start reaching for snacks even when you're not that hungry? If that is happening, it is not random. Okay, it is a pattern. So the issue is not that you lack discipline. It's not that you need to try harder. It's that your energy is not stable and your body is going through the ups and downs. And that makes fat loss much harder than it needs to be. So when you shift from quick stimulation with coffee to more stable support with herbal tea and a good nutrition structure, that is when things start to feel easier and more manageable. And here's what's really interesting. When a lot of my clients switch from coffee to herbal tea concentrate, they actually feel a big difference very quickly. They feel better energy, less heaviness, and fewer cravings. But most people don't really understand why that is happening or how to actually use it properly to get results. And that's the part that makes the biggest difference long term. So Herbalife Herbal Tea on its own is not actually a magical fat burner. A lot of people think that they can just drink the tea and expect some kind of weight loss results. But that's not how it works. So what actually makes the difference is how you use it as part of your daily structure. And this is exactly how I guide my clients to do it. So we start the Herbalife breakfast routine. Okay, so we start with the aloe, first step aloe to hydrate your body first thing in the morning. Then we go into the herbal tea concentrate. So you use about half a teaspoon mixed with around 300 to 400. If you want more water, you can do 500 ml of water. I prefer warm water, and which gives you a gentle, clean energy boost without the heavy spike. And then we follow with a protein balanced, nutrient dense nutrition shake. So your body actually gets proper nutrition nourishing in the morning. So this is actually not random. It's a good sequence that everything works together. You got hydrate, activate, and nourish. And that's actually what helps your body shift into a more balanced state for fat loss. And this is something I see again and again with my clients. When they follow this structure consistently, they start to feel more stable energy, less heaviness in the morning, and fewer cravings later in the day. So if you want an extra boost, you can also drink the tea a couple more times during the day. You can also mix the tea with 1 liter of water and just sip on it. Or you can drink it before or during your workout. That helps you sweat more and burn more calories. So this works really well on busy days, also for your low energy afternoons or when you need an extra, push, extra pick me up. Okay, so I always tell my clients, if you're sensitive to caffeine, don't jump straight into the higher amounts. Okay, don't start with the high dosage. Start with just the Herbalife breakfast routine, aloe tea and shake. Do the tea during your 3-step breakfast. See how your body responds, and then you can slowly adjust from there. Now, here's an interesting question. Can you still drink coffee while you're on the Herbalife program? Yes, you can. You don't have to completely cut coffee out, but I usually recommend not relying on coffee as your main energy source. And it's best to avoid drinking it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Treat coffee as something that you enjoy drinking rather than something that you depend on. And if you're someone who really enjoys coffee, here's another interesting option I sometimes recommend to my clients. Did you know that Herbalife has this high protein iced coffee? So each serving provides about 15 grams of protein. So you're not just getting caffeine, but you're also getting the protein that helps you feel fuller and more stable. So that way it feels more like a protein-rich snack or part of your routine instead of something that leads into cravings later. So that shift alone can actually make a big difference. Now, if we zoom out and simplify everything we've just talked about here today, coffee gives you a quick boost, but can also lead to that cycle of energy drops and cravings. Herbalife Herbal Tea Concentrate, when used properly as part of your structured daily nutrition routine, supports more stable energy, fewer cravings, and makes it easier to stay consistent with your meals without always feeling like you need to snack. It's not about one being good or bad. It's actually about choosing the right approach that actually supports your body throughout the day, not just for that one moment in the morning. And once you get that part right, everything else starts to feel a lot easier. So if things haven't been changing for you, whether it's your energy, your cravings, or your weight, it might not be because you're not trying hard enough. Sometimes it just comes down to how your nutrition is set up. So if you want help with that, you can complete my wellness evaluation in the description below, and I can map out a simple plan based on your lifestyle and your goals. So I hope you liked today's video, and if you want to learn more about Herbalife Herbal Tea Concentrate, make sure you check out this next video right here. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Every week, I share practical tips on Herbalife and weight loss. Thank you so much for being here today, and I'll see you in the next video.